what you did. Come on now. I'm trying to get a good video. Move. She grabbed a butt. Can't. I can't.
Oh, yeah, you tough. You're so tough.
There you go. All right.
Now do it again. Do it again.
Do it again so I can get on video. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Knock some dust off that time. All right, there you go.
Woo! Go ahead, Nick Neek.
See, that was nothing to be afraid of.
Go ahead and go.
I'll do it 3 times. Go over, and come back, and go over.
baby.
That's how you go to stand now.
Ready? Set.
Hold on, she's moving. She tried. Yeah, she's not moving far.
Hey, stop playing.
Oh.
She's sitting it.
That. No. 1, 2, 3. There you go. That's all?
I can only do 1.5.
How many abs you got? I'm surprised.
I lost them.
Oh, was you eating too much?
Yeah, break the floor.
See, the floor is already broken and lost.
Oh, go ahead, Shania. Try it again.
You can tell I had them though, because
Woo!
I'm getting a pack.
Ready to fix it up?
I'm getting
No.
a pack.
You want to see the people? There were like 20 people and they're taking pictures. You gonna put air conditioning there?
Finally.
Alright, I got it.
All right, 3 times.
Alright, I got
3 times each and we're leaving.
I got it.
She said. Right. Well, something
Now come back.
Come on, Dominique. Oh, man.
Because remember, in the real track meet, the hurdles, if you hit them, are going to fall over. You don't have to be afraid of them.
Man, I'm jumping hurdles. And I want to do the little relay race. I ain't gonna get time.
No.
I can't do it while it's too many people.
You all right, Asia? Yeah. We got a buff.
No, I'm dying. What you think? I want to see who the fastest out of Ashley and her.
Yeah, for a minute. Both of y'all wait for a minute.
Don't they want to race you, right?
I'm thirsty.
I want to race that.
You and Dominique? All right, let's do it. Get on the line. This will be the last thing we do.
I need my shoes up.
Dominique wants to race y'all.
Race to us.
Hey, Dominique.
Girl, I ain't trying to die from a bunch of dust. I ain't dying from no dust.
She got it.
I know, because yours is fatter. See, yours is fat.
Y'all want to have a dance contest? Say no. I know, girl. I'm only playing. Don't try to show off. You shit. Come on, girl. Get on me.
Dominique told me no, so I can't do it.
Why?
Spread out a little bit, y'all. Right up on top of each other.
Go ahead, y'all. Why so quiet?
Are y'all ready? So in the
Get
track
your own
meet,
lane.
they'll say on your mark, get set, and then they won't say go. You'll hear like a gun, right?
Yeah. You're like a gunshot.
So on your mark, means
I'm
you put your
aim
fingers
like a
down.
gun.
Get set means you put your butt up in the air.
Boom!
Keep running, run, all the way down. All right, y'all ready?
He said he out of shape.
Just run as fast as you can to the brown line. Just run as fast as you can to the brown line.
Which one?
The
Oh wait,
brown
never
line
mind.
at the end, and then stop. On your mark, get set, go. Cheater. Dominic Smith, Dominic Strong. All right, let's do it one more time, coming down. On your mark. Don't watch that chair, don't hit the chair. Get set. Get set. Go.
Both of y'all came in big race.
8th graders beating the 6th graders, but they're a little older, so that should be expected.
Right.
Come on, let's go. Come on, let's be ready to go over to the track, and you'll be able to see what it looks like on a real track.
All right. Put your shoe and sock on.